Sometimes you may feel lost. Sometimes you may feel sad. But remember, all you can do is to make a choice. Making a choice may be hard for you, but making a choice can make the change between you now and you before. You can choose to be sad. Maybe you are experiencing something hard, something sad, a situation that you have never felt before, a situation that you have never lived before. But remember, you have the choice. You have the choice to move forward. You have the choice to be happy, to feel happy despite everything. Be happy.